The KYME 20-inch carry-on luggage is designed to fit seamlessly into the overhead bins of most major domestic airlines, offering ample packing space for short trips. This suitcase features a well-organized interior, complete with a full zipper partition and cross strap, making it easy to separate and organize your belongings. Equipped with a TSA-approved lock and reinforced YKK zippers, the luggage ensures your valuables are both secure and accessible during travel. Constructed from a blend of polycarbonate and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, the hard shell is lightweight yet robust, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. The luggage is fitted with 8 spinner wheels that provide smooth maneuverability and quiet operation, allowing for effortless navigation in any direction. With its sleek black design and durable features, the KYME carry-on is an ideal travel companion for frequent flyers who value both style and functionality.